The Proud Parrot Story. Once upon a time, there was a little parrot who lived happily in a big tree, proud of his beautiful green feathers. One sunny day, he spotted a little crow nearby and couldn't help but notice how small and dark its feathers were. The proud parrot remarked, "Your wings are so dark and little, they're not beautiful like mine." The crow calmly replied, "My wings might be little and dark, but they help me flee long distances." The proud parrot moved a bit closer, showing off his vibrant feathers. But before he knew it, a person appeared with a cage and captured the little parrot, leaving the crow behind. Moral: don't be too proud of what you have.